how to make custom Instagram highlight covers. So if you want to make custom Instagram highlight covers using Canva, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser and then go with Canva. Once you're on your Canva, make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, from the search, you need to search for Instagram highlight covers. If you have the pro version, then you will have more than 10,000 templates. So you need to just scroll down and then find the template that you like. For example, I'll go with this one. And once you find the template, you need to just go with customize this template, which will be on the right side. And now you'll be able to make some custom edits to the template. Once you've selected, you need to go with customize this template, which will be on the right side. Now, once you're here, you need to just go with the edit or the pencil shaped icon, which will be on the bottom. And you'll get this kind of interface. Now, if you want to edit the first page, you can just simply go with the option where you would like to edit the text or the design, or I'll just simply go with the second page. And here under second page, we have about me. So if you want to remove this and if you want to add something else like birthday, then you need to go with the text, which is here on the top. And then here you need to remove the text and then add and then hit the enter. And that's it. It has been edited. In this way, you'll be able to customize, or if you want to customize logo right here, then you need to just go with the elements, which is here on the left side, and then add another elements if you want to. Or if you want to customize this icon or this logo, then you just need to simply go with the left side, and then you will have the elements and you'll be able to edit the elements too. Once you've done editing all of these, you need to just go with share, which is on the top right, and then go with download, which is right here. And if you want to download it as a video, you can just simply go and download it, but you need to go with the drop down and then select JPG, and it will be downloaded as images. That's it. That's how you can make custom image highlight covers. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.